Sorio Isle. You're here to reveal the island's horrifying secret. This detached land is not uninhabited. It serves as a proving ground for the newest biological technologies. Witness the achievements of human genius gone wrong, violating the very foundations of nature. They tried to create a new form of living being. Half man, half animal. But suffering bodies retained wild souls, and creatures' true nature could not be concealed forever. The laws of nature have been broken. Somebody is going to pay.
Who are we? There are 5 fingers on our hands, but we're not human. We have skin and fangs, but we're not animals. Are we not faster? Are we not stronger? Are we not smarter? Isn't this our land? Then why do they rule, not us?
Unlimited action. 35 enemies. 24 levels. 18 weapons. 7 abilities to develop. 3 characters to control. 2 choices for the right decision. And a single chance to stay alive.
Carter, you're crazy. By creating these creatures, you're going against the ways of God.
General, looks like you still haven't understood anything. I am the God.
Vivisector, Beast Inside.